Purdue's bell tower is an icon that is recognized all over campus. At 160 feet tall, the bell tower was built in 1995 as a replica of a similar tower that was part of the former Hevelon Hall. What many may not know is that a time capsule was built along with the tower and currently rests directly beneath it. This capsule is scheduled to open in 2095, 100 years after its creation.
Here we are at Purdue University's notorious bell tower. The myth is that if someone walks under it, they will graduate in 5 years. We have brought in a special agent to protect students from this outcome. We are now going to interview some Purdue students to see if they believe in this myth. Excuse me, miss.
Hey, hi.
Do you believe in the bell tower myth?
Yeah, of course. So I will try to look through the bell tower.
Good job. Do you want to sit down?
Yeah.
Do you believe in the bell tower myth?
I actually don't believe in it.
So you're willing to risk it for $40,000?
When you put it that way. No, I don't believe in it.
While some avoid walking under the bell tower completely, history claims that the seal of the time capsule located under the bell tower is cursed. So avoiding walking directly over the seal could allow you to graduate in 4 years. But are you willing to risk it?
So is it worth it?